Are you looking for a tool to handle 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 7/16 self-tapping screws or hex screws? I think I found the tool for you. Now, whether you're a HVAC professional or you're somebody that likes to work on your stuff at home, a DIYer, this is a great buy. It's a great tool, and I wanted to share that with you today. This is the K11 quad flip socket from KLEIN, and this is a 5/16, 7/16, 3/8, and 1/4 inch nut driver. Basically 4 tools in one.
Amazing.
If you know me, I really like multi-use tools, and it appears that the shaft, I know you can get these in different sizes, and now they have these up in metric and standard. They spring-loaded the socket so you can basically, on one side you have 3/8 and 1/4 inch sizes, and then the other side, the only thing that you have to do is you have to flip. Only move you have to make is you have to take this out and flip it on the other side, and that's it. So you got 2 on this side and 2 on that side, which is really, it's a great idea, because I'm used to carrying the Malco bits, and I don't know if this is a KLEIN or a Malco bit, but I think it's a Malco. Really like the size of these. Yeah, this is a Malco. So I really like the size of these, but you're kind of limited on what you can do. You got 5/16 and 1/4 inch on the other side. So if you saw my last video, I actually changed out this Impact 11-in-1 to do something a little different. I made it more for my work as a maintenance technician. So if you're a maintenance technician, I think this new tool would work out really well for you. So I've got that, and then so I really like the fact that this is 4 tools in one, because I work on a lot of HVAC units and exhaust fans. I work in the pharmaceutical industry, maintenance technician, and so I work on a lot of different size fasteners, and I think this is an unbelievable idea. And I was really excited to get this. Now, I did purchase this with my own money through Amazon, and it will show you some. Now, these come in different sizes, if you can see, and this is an Amazon. They have the Connect 13-piece impact flip socket, and it currently runs $87.99 on Amazon, and you can get different sizes. I didn't need all that. I actually just needed these 4 sizes here. I don't use the 7/16 as much as I do the other 3, so it's just kind of an added bonus for me. Then now this ran $19.98, and at the time of this video, I did purchase this with my own money. And I did measure this, and it was 4 3/8 inches long. In case you're looking on how to carry it and throw it in your pocket or whatever, and about 5/8 inches thick right here at the thickest point. So it's really, really compact. I've been carrying it in this. If you saw my last video that I just posted, this is the SC45, the front pouch from the SC45. I have the other piece right here, other part right here, but this is the front pouch from the SC45, and I actually put it in there with this socket wrench from Harbor Freight. I use that for different sizes. If I'm working in a tight spot or something, I'll use that. I like that 1/4 inch driver, so I just put this in the front pocket where the metal is for your tape measure. And then I also purchased this Vera, however you say it, this little driver, so you can actually use these 2 together if you wanted to, and have a quick little wrench. Now this one here is the Vera, I believe that's the number, Vera 813. You can see how small this is. I do like compact tools. This is my everyday carry stuff. Been on the roof a lot at work lately, so I really like to carry stuff like this. And then this one fits in this pocket really well. So yeah, it just kind of fits all in there, and your set ready to go. I really like the way this fits in here like this. It really fits in there real well, and it's just super compact. I really like that. So I think it's pretty awesome. So I'm going to put the flip socket on my drill driver, and since I was looking for some 3/8 inch head screws. This is a 5/16, and it fits right in there, as you can see. And if I were to push down, then it would go to the 7/16 inch. But so I'm gonna give this a try and see. So obviously it goes in, locks in, and then I can take it back out. And so I really like that. And it's just a piece of scrap wood. So that is the 5/16, and then of course I took it off and flip it around, and you got the 1/4 inch. So it takes 1/4 inch back on, so you push it in there and it comes. You can feel the spring tightening. So you can see that it just kind of locks in there, and the nice thing about it is it kind of holds it in there too. So on this one, I actually have the original. I think this is one of the original flip sockets. The only thing I didn't like about this is when you need to use like the 1/2 inch, you basically have to take everything off. And you can take this one off this side, but you know, I think you can take them off both sides, but the 1/4 inch one you can't. You got to take it off the front. It doesn't go any further than that. So but you just kind of have to take them off and then try to keep track of these. I was up on a roof working on an exhaust fan, and I have the bigger version of this, which is the at work, which is goes up to 3/4 inch. And when I was working on that, I took these off, and all I needed was the 1/4 inch at the time. So I ended up losing these other two for a while. They kind of rolled down the roof a ways. It's a flat roof, but so it just they kind of took a mind of their own and took off. So I really like the fact that they put all this in one flip socket. This current version of the flip socket has, on Amazon, it's getting 4.7 stars out of 5, and it looks like this rating was 445 ratings.
It's totally awesome.
So it's getting pretty good. You can see they got the bigger flip socket right here. You can get that one for the same price, or like I said, if you just need a smaller one to carry with you, it's pretty nice. If you're getting good value on my channel, I appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon, you get notified when I post a new video. And if you wouldn't mind sharing me with a like, I would appreciate it. Share the video with others, and I'll catch you on the next one. This is Tim Tillman back at you.
I'll be back.